Okay, so today we're going to do a 1-point perspective building. So I want you to have a little go at trying to do this. So on your piece of paper, you're going to draw a frame, which is a posh word for a box, we know that, of 14 across, which you can see I've just done. And then I want you to do 15 down. Okay, and 14 across again. And 15 up. And once you've done your lovely frame like so, I would like you to put a horizon line. Now where you put the horizon line is going to be up to you, but make sure it's lovely and straight. Now once you put the horizon line on, I would like you to put a vanishing point. Okay, so that's a dot we call it, but we call that a vanishing point. Once you put your vanishing point on there, I'd like you to draw a little box down here. Now the measurements are going to be up to you, but you can see my measurements are going to be 3 by 1. Now take your time. Now we all know that all lines go to the vanishing point, but I'm going to take my time really, and I'm going to draw it nice and neat to the vanishing point. But I'm going to do it very lightly, because you know we're going to make some errors here and we're going to have to rub it out. Like so. Then I want you to draw another box, right about here. But this time, see if we can make that about 2.5 by 4. Perfect. Now remember, all lines have to go to that vanishing point. So again, very gently, take all those lines to the vanishing point. Now that has got a little line there, we're going to take it over. And what I want you to do is continue drawing lots and lots of boxes all around the page on there. So you can draw another one down here. Let's make that another box down here. And again, it doesn't matter where you put them. Just make sure that all those lovely lines go to the vanishing point. And that one, you can just about see it there. Okay. This time I'm going to go to the top, and I'm going to do another one up here, like so. Now hopefully you're starting to get the idea that it's going to look like you're a bird flying over the top of some buildings and doing some perspective work. So it's looking down onto the buildings, and there's the building looking down, and there's a little road. Now we need to make that road a bit bigger later, but we're going to start making it. So let's do another one. And we're just going to take our time. You can make it as complex as you like. It's just drawing lots and lots of boxes and taking them all the way to the vanishing point. Now what you can do is you can draw around something here, like a circle of some sort, and you can just draw a circle naturally, or you can draw around a coin, and you can take that as well to the vanishing point. So that would be like another type of building that goes to the vanishing point. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make these look like windows. So you're going to put your ruler right up against the edge and just pull the line. And what you don't do is start tilting it like this. That would be wrong. So you just pull the line nicely and keep going until you get to the very, very end. Like so. Can you see a building starting to form? Then you're going to put your ruler on this side, and then where you stopped, take it all the way across. And you can see now, this building has some windows forming. You can even put a helicopter pad on the top of that one to make it look realistic. Now we need to make this road a bit fatter, otherwise there's no cars getting down this road. So what we're going to do is just put the ruler a little bit lower. Just take the line across, and you can see there's a lot of rubbing out we've got to do here. And then in between the two, we're going to put some dashes. And there's your little road. You can put even some cars. Now the cars are just going to be some big lines. You can make them a little bit darker with your shading. Okay, so I'm going to continue with this. I'm going to show you some examples of ones I've done before. Then we can add some colour, and then you've done for your lesson. Have fun.